Assalamu alaikum. You are watching our channel Global Visa Mentor. Are you living in the UK and planning to visit beautiful country Turkey? In this video, I will guide you step by step how you can apply for Turkey e-visa and how you can get it quickly. First of all, you have to write Turkey e-visa in any browser. Some links will appear. You have to click the first link. I have pinned this link in the description and also in the comment box. Then you scroll down the page and you will see a red color button, apply now. After that you click apply now, another window will appear. Now you have to click apply for an e-visa. Remember, my channel is Global Visa Mentor and I am making different videos on different visas. You will find very soon different videos in my channel, so I need your support. Just subscribe my channel and also follow my channel. So come back to our topic. In order to get an e-visa of UK, Turkey, you have to just have 3 simple steps. So kindly, first of all, you have to select your nationality, whether you are Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh. You have to select your nationality. There's a different nationalities available in the country region box. If you are an Indian, just select India there, and then ordinary passport, and then you have to write security verification code. You can change it from the slider. Remember, you can only apply for this e-visa if you have a Schengen residence permit, or you have a valid Schengen visa, or you have a UK visa, or otherwise you must have some settlement number from the UK. Just click save and continue. There's it's telling about your visa start date. You can change it from sidewise. You can make it as per your plan. But remember, it only allows 30 days. This visa is valid for 6 months, and the cost of this visa is 48 USD. You have to tick all the boxes, and then this simple performer will appear. First you have to select your, either you have a visa or residence permit. So we are applying from UK, then we will select visa and then we will click UK. It will when you select this, it will reset all the data. So first you have to select this, then you have to put the information as per your passport. You have to select given name, and then you have to write your surname. I am writing this some dummy data. You can write your date of birth by putting full stop between your month and your day and your year. Then you have to select place of birth. You can write it from your passport, and then mother's name and father name is optional. Then you have to write your passport number very carefully, because if you do some mistake in the passport number, then it cannot be editable. So then you have to write passport issue date, then you have to write passport expiry date, and then you have to write your visa that is from UK. Then you have to write visa number. You will write it. Actually, I am putting some dummy data. Remember, you can skip the expiry date of your visa. You can you can checkbox this undetermined, and then you have to write your email address. Write it very carefully, because some verification is required on your email address. Then you have to write your phone number, and you also have to write the address. It may be dummy, and then you have to tick this box. There's a declaration. You can simply cross it from the bottom, and then you can click save and continue. I have also made a video of Turkey visa in Urdu and Hindi language. You can find it in my YouTube channel. Then if you want to edit this information, you can edit. Otherwise, carefully read this and then click it verify. And verification is sent on your email. You have to approve this, and then you have to make the payment, that is $48, and then instantly after the payment the visa will be downloaded. Now carefully see this. This is the B1 visa. All the information is written there. It's not editable. I have just showing you as some dummy data that it allows only 30 days to stay. This visa is valid for 6 months and only single entry visa.